good to go? Yes? Let's see. When we come here, like when we do worship in the church, I always tell them, let's not think about the other people, that people in front, who is sitting on my left, on my right side. Let's just enjoy the presence of the Lord. You just think, see, worship is all about Jesus. It's all about God, not about my satisfaction. It's all about how you adore God. So let's just focus on God. Let's just enjoy the day. Let's celebrate this day. Amen? Let's do it. One more time. Shall we do it? Let's clap our hands and sing together, right? I think we have the song here, right? Okay. There is no reason why we're here today, right? If it is not